Hello everyone. Do you know what is snoozed email and how to snooze an email in Gmail? In fact, snooze email means remove or postpone the email temporarily, which means that it will disappear from your inbox until you need them, and then come back at the top of your inbox at a time you pick. And you can postpone until later today, tomorrow, or any other date. You can select date and time from calendar. Let's move to snooze an email. Bring the cursor on top on the email which you want to snooze. For instance, I am snoozing this email and you can see here some icons on the right side. One of them is clock icon. This icon indicates the snooze. So click on this and you will see a drop down list of suggested time. Select one of them which suits to you. If you want to select any other, then click on select date and time. Now pick the date and time and save it. You can see email removed from the inbox and moved to the snooze folder. On the left hand side of the home page, click on snooze folder and see here your snoozed email. If you want to edit any snoozed email, then simply move the cursor over top on the email and click on clock icon, or open that email, click on snooze icon and edit date and time and save it. How I can unsnooze an email? Very simple. It is very easy. Just click on snooze icon and click on unsnooze. When snooze time is over, your snoozed email will appear at the top of your inbox like this. Thumbs up this video. Thanks for watching.